Bullish CHZ value forecast is $0.2599 to $0.4486. The CHZ cost will likewise reach 60 cents soon. CHZ negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.1276. In Chiliz, CHZ, cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Rival, and other data about CHZ to break down the future development of the digital money. Chiliz, CHZ, current market status. The cost of Chiliz, CHZ, is $0.251 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $988,204,206 at the hour of composing. In any case, CHZ has expanded to 6.5% as of now. Besides, Chiliz, CHZ, has a coursing supply of 5,344,064,580 CHZ. As of now, CHZ exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, Mex, Coin, OKX, and CoinTiger. What is Chiliz, CHZ? Chiliz is the money of decision for blockchain-upheld items and administrations for standard customers. Chiliz gives sports associations and blockchain-based instruments to help them take an interest and adapt their crowd. CHZ tokens can likewise be utilized to buy, trade fan tokens through the customer-situated stage Socios.com. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2022. The above graph of Chiliz, CHZ, spread out in adjusting base. The cost development structure an example that looks like a bow and consequently is otherwise called the saucer base example. By and large, the adjusting base example demonstrates a drawn-out cost inversion. This example additionally underlines the progressions in the market opinion as the pattern appears to move from negative to bullish. Financial backers for the most part need to remain mindful and time the market well. On the off chance that the value breaks and moves past the opposition level, it will enter in a firm bullish direction. At present, Chiliz, CHZ, is at $0.249. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of CHZ could arrive at the opposition level of $0.2688 and $0.4486. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of CHZ might tumble to $0.1832. From the above day-to-day time span, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels of Chiliz, CHZ. Resistance level 1, $0.2599. Resistance level 2, $0.3359. Support level 1, $0.2007. Support level 2, $0.1634. Support level 3, $0.1276. The outlines show that CHZ has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, CHZ could run alongside the bulls overwhelming its opposition level at $0.3359. Likewise, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the CHZ could dive to nearly $0.1276, a negative sign. Chiliz, CHZ, value forecast 2022, Rival, Mama, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Chiliz, CHZ, is displayed in the beneath diagram. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past volume for brokers. At present, the RVOL of CHZ lies underneath the end line, showing frail members in the latest thing. Also, the moving normal, Mama, of Chiliz, CHZ, is displayed in the above graph. Outstandingly, the CHZ cost lies over 50 Mama, present moment, so it is totally in a vertical pattern. As of now, CHZ is in a bullish state. There is plausible of an inversion pattern of CHZ whenever. In the interim, the overall strength record, RSI, of the CHZ is at a degree of 66.64. This implies that CHZ is in an almost overbought state. In any case, this gives certainty to the dealers to exchange with no trepidation. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list, ADX, of Chiliz, CHZ. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. From the above graph, we can decipher ETH, BTC, and CHZ are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and CHZ additionally increment or abatement individually. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Chiliz, CHZ, could most likely achieve $1.50 by 2023. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Chiliz, CHZ, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, CHZ could energize to hit $2.10 by 2024. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2025. In the event that Chiliz, CHZ, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, CHZ would mobilize to hit $2.90. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Chiliz, CHZ, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, CHZ would mobilize to hit $4. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2027. If Chiliz, CHZ, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, CHZ would energize to hit $4.60. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2028. If Chiliz, CHZ, holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could observe huge cost rallies. Accordingly, by 2028, CHZ would hit $5.30. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Chiliz, CHZ, it would observe significant spikes. CHZ could hit $6 by 2029. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2030. With more